Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add or remove people from Space and Google Chat. Alright, open the Google Chat, so go to mail.google.com/chat, and after just open it, and you can select Space and click add icon to create the space. Click and select create a space and enter the space name, for example, and add the description. So you can enter person. Alright, just click create. So the space has been created. And how to remove people from the space, you can select the space and go to here, right here, just click and manage member. So you can click on three dots and write the people you want to remove. So just click remove from space. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.